A faulty control board can mimic a fan call by holding its relay contacts closed or feeding 24-volt power when the thermostat is idle. When a control board has burned or shorted relays, it can present a false continuous fan demand that the system interprets as a thermostat fan call. Check for 24-volt presence at the fan circuit when the thermostat is not requesting fan operation using a multimeter set to the appropriate low voltage range, and observe wiring terminals at both the thermostat and the air handler. Inspect the board visually for darkened traces, melted solder joints, or corrosion around relay terminals, because heat damage is a common sign that a relay is stuck closed. If you suspect a stuck relay, isolate the board by disconnecting power and testing the relay coil resistance with a meter or swapping with a known good board if available. Confirm thermostat function by temporarily disconnecting the fan lead at the furnace or air handler and commanding the fan from the thermostat to see if the fan responds only when commanded. When replacement is required, choose a board that matches the furnace model and manufacturer specifications and follow manufacturer wiring diagrams carefully, or have a trained technician perform the swap if you are not comfortable with low voltage wiring and safety procedures. After repair, recheck for proper 24-volt removal when the thermostat is idle and validate that fan operation aligns only with thermostat calls or system interlocks. Common mistakes include assuming the thermostat is the problem without checking for a persistent 24-volt signal at the air handler, which you can avoid by measuring voltage at the board when the thermostat is idle. Another issue is replacing the thermostat first, which wastes time and money. Test the board and wiring before purchasing a new thermostat. A third frequent problem is failing to visually inspect the control board for burned components and relying solely on intermittent behavior. Always power down and inspect the board and test relays and wiring continuity to catch hidden damage. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare past project feedback so we can make better hiring decisions for repairs like control board replacement. We also help contractors find work and participate in our discussion community where we share tips and troubleshoot issues together.